Hello, everybody. Welcome to FameWord Educational Hub. Today, in this Java 19 playlist, in this Java 19 series, I am going to start with a new video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel because a lot of videos are going to come here in this Java 19 series. And it is a beginner friendly playlist. It is a beginner friendly course where you are not only going to learn the concepts of Java 19, but also it is starting from the very basics. So it is for beginners to advanced level, and simply it is going to be a complete series. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and let's start with a new program. In the previous video, I have talked about simply if else ladder, and I have given you the example of weekday. Today again I am going to talk about if else ladder, and I will be telling you one more program related to if else ladder, like implementations in if else ladder where you are having multiple conditions. In case you are having any confusion in the concepts of it, you can simply check the previous videos because I have already demonstrated these things previously and I have discussed about it in detail in the previous videos. So here I am taking an example of color. Okay, so color example I am taking, and I will be implementing it with the help of if else ladder. So if you are having multiple conditions, so you can just work with it. I'm just taking import java.util.scanner because we have to take input. So this we have taken. Then here I'm taking a class pro14 public static void main, and I'm creating a scanner class object because we have to create the object of any external class whichever we are taking. These things I have discussed in very detail in the previous sessions, previous videos actually. So please watch them in case you have any confusion. Now here I'm going to implement this program for color. Color means that if any particular character, suppose I'm taking a character ch, so that character we will check, and according to the conditions it will be printing that which color it is. So here I'm taking enter a character, then ch equals to ov dot next dot char at 0. This you have to use when you want to take input of a character. Then I'm checking here if ch equal to, let's say r, so we will print here red. Then else if ch equal to, let's say p, so we will print pink, let's say pink. Then else if this way you can give like whatever color WebViewer also you can create, like b, I'm taking black, and I'm again taking b here, capital B this time I'm taking, and I'm printing here. Okay, else if ch equal to, let's say capital B, so this time I'm printing, let's say blue. So whatever combinations you want, whatever options you want, you can simply take. I'm just taking here, let's say O for orange. So multiple options I've given. And W for white. Okay. In case none of this value match, in case none of this condition match, so we are just moving towards the else portion, and we will print whatever message we want to print. So here I'm printing incorrect choice or incorrect code. Okay, so this is a small program I have created for you, and let's run this program, and I am coming towards the command prompt to run it. Java C space pro14.java. The path I have already set here. So in case you have any confusion that how to set the path and all, please check the previous videos in the series. Java space pro14 and enter a character, suppose E, so incorrect code. And here, okay, what is happening? Okay, so suppose I'm taking W, so it is white. If I'm taking the capital R, incorrect code because you have taken a small r. If you are taking small b, so black. If you are taking capital B, so blue. P, so pink. And in case I'm giving any other character, so it will give us, sorry. what I have done. In case I have given any other character, so it will be saying incorrect code. Okay, so suppose R, so red, T, so incorrect code, Y, so incorrect code, E, so incorrect code, W to white, it is working correctly, it is working fine. Capital B is giving incorrect because we have considered small t, not the capital. So here you can see our program is working efficiently, there is no problem with it. So this was simply the example for if else later. I hope you have got the idea that how you are going to work on it. The syntax must be clear now. In case you have any query, you are free to ask your queries in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe Fame World Educational Hub. See you in the next video with some new concepts and new program. Stay tuned.